Hi, and welcome to this short video on creating an audience-led session with Vevox. An audience-led session is where your audience dictate the flow of the session itself by responding to polls. You can present them with options and they need to choose the option that they want to take, whether that's a scenario in training, i.e. what to do when they encounter a certain issue, or what do they want to learn first. So here we have our question, what would you like to discuss first? We've got three options on the screen. When the poll results are revealed, we can then see where we need to go. So we click on option 3, we can then discuss the content of that particular section. And when we're ready, we can press next poll to decide where to go next. So we run our poll. When the results appear on the screen again, we can look at what to do next. So this time we're going to look at the Q1 results. So we click the link, that takes us to the content for that particular section. Again, we can go through our content, we can talk about that section, and then when we're ready, we can press next poll. Now in this scenario, we already know that the last thing we need to look at is Q2 targets. So we press escape and then press the link. By pressing escape, it deactivates the poll. Once we've done this, we can then skip ahead because that's the end of our section. Now I'm going to show you how to build one of these polls. So the first thing we need to do is duplicate our title slide so that we've got somewhere at the end to link to. Then we need to go to our choices and we want to convert that slide to a poll. So we click convert to poll, it scans it through, and then it turns it into a poll for us automatically. We can resize things to make it look better on the screen, depending on the content that we've also got on that slide. And then we need to link our slides together. So you right click the text, then press link, choose place in this document, and then select the slide that you want. You get a little handy thumbnail so that you know that that's the slide you want to connect to. So again, just to repeat that process, you right click, link, select the slide and press OK. We also need to add those links to these buttons. So again, we right click on the button, press link, select our slide, and then we link it to the one that we need to link to. And we just repeat that process across our three slides. So again, that's right click, link, place in this document, and then select the slide that you want. When you're done, you press OK. All that's left for us to do now is actually run our poll. So if we pop it into slideshow mode and we open our poll, we just wait for the results to come through. And then when they appear on the screen, we know where we want to look at first. So in this scenario, we'll choose option 1. We've got our content. We can then go back to choices. We press escape because we don't need to run the poll. And then we can click on scenario B. And again, we can go through our content. That's it for this short video. But if you've got any questions, give us a call or you can email us at support@vevox.com. Thanks.